So this plastic here is a collection of milk bottle tops and shampoo bottles. Here I break my clamp, which I thought was pretty funny. It's my only clamp I have, so I was pretty sad about it. This is a wee video of just my setup. I use frying pans to kind of hold the weight down, making sure it's always got contact and always kind of heating up, etc, etc, etc. If you twist and kind of pull, you can create a really good marbled effect with the plastic here. This is some of the kind of raw material that I work with. So there's a lot of cleaning bottle tops, milk bottle tops, etc, etc, etc. This is what I make my products out of predominantly. To take a second here and talk about bottle tops. As you can see in this floating piece of trash, the majority of bottles now have a plastic top. I actually think this is a glass bottle in the video, but the majority of them now have a plastic top. I don't know the history, but I think that the plastic bottle tops used to be a different plastic. But the point is, now they're made out of HDPE, which I think is fucking fantastic. Excuse my language. Because it means that it's so much easier recycled. But I've kind of watched a couple of videos about this, and brothers make who do exactly what I'm trying to do now, but just generally much better. They talk about the kind of sustainability of plastic recycling, and one of the things that they mention is that the best sustainable option for plastic recycling is low temperature plastic recycling, and that's exactly what this is, and exactly why HDPE plastic is so fantastic, is that you can recycle it at home, which for me is amazing. And in terms of scalability, in terms of actually wanting to save a lot of plastic, bottle tops are everywhere. And even if I only ever save just bottle tops, not even shampoo bottles, not even larger bottles, moisturizer, whatever, just bottle tops, I'd be a happy, happy man, because that in itself is probably millions of kilograms of plastic in landfill, in the oceans, in our streets every single year. And that kills me. I'm like, no, this is the whole point of doing what I'm doing. It's why I started out with the road project. It's why I do what I do, because there's a simple solution, and it's literally just collecting them, melting them, turning into like coasters, cups, etc., etc. It's not that deep. So that's why I do it. Anyways, predominantly, as you can tell, I'm just very, very passionate about making things out of waste materials. I'm learning how to do content. I'm learning how to do video editing. It's very, very, very early, but I appreciate everyone's support. So if you can please leave a comment, like, subscribe, share with a friend. You know the shtick. It helps a lot and it goes a long way. So thank you very much. Have a great day.